Not hold it. This is so funny. Bidden. It was removed on April 2nd. That was like 2 days ago. Anyway, guys, let's get into the top 5 niches of today, episode 66. Let's go. So, our first top niche for today is autism. This autism is in the form of a heart, the other words in it, a special, sweet, love, caring, unique, bright, and all the like. And it's price 17.99, over 121 sales. It's a new shirt, that's why it has no reviews yet. So I have other autism shirts that are doing quite well. This is just one of them. This is another autism shirt. It says "Be kind," and it's in blue. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. Autism awareness, and one is also doing quite well. Price 19.99, 247. Look at this. Overall trend is up. Look at that bedside, guys. Look at that. Very it's approaching one, or has even arrived one. So that was it for niche number one. Niche number two, Easter. Obviously, everyone knows Easter is coming up. So have this cute bunny with some sunshades, looking all cool. Price 18.99, over 201 sales, 210 sales, one review. So it's also a new shirt. Amazon Marketplace, Amazon.com Marketplace. And let's take a look at the BSL, see how it's doing. It's also doing quite well. Our trend is up, current trend is up. Obviously, because Easter is trending, we also have another Easter shirt, Excavator. This for the kids. We have the bunny ears right here. You have some Easter eggs and excavators. It's quite funny. And wow, price 24.99. What? Crazy. And people are still purchasing it. Let's take a look. It's quite a unique concept. That's why so many people are purchasing it. And it's trending. As you can see, avoid trend is up, current trend is up. Next, we also have these gnomes with bunny ears. So anything, I haven't yet seen a dino with bunny ears. I'm still searching. Once I see it, I'm gonna include it, but I haven't seen it yet. We'll have some gnomes with bunny ears. We'll have excavator with bunny ears. So if you can add another thing, I've also seen a shark with bunny ears. So people just keep mixing and matching animals with different Easter themed. Some will add it with bunny ears, some will add it with Easter eggs. So just make anything unique, funny, like this one right here. And many people are purchasing it. So okay, that was it for our first two niches. Next niche is this one. Ronnie, Bobby, Ricky, Mike, Rolf, and Johnny. I don't know why this is trending, but I always tend to keep away from names because most of them are people's names, and you don't have the right to make designs about people's names. But I just wanted to put it up here because it is trending, and I don't know why it is trending. If you know why it's trending, please let me know in the comment section below. That was it for niche number three. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Niche number four is baseball, softball shirt. It says my heart is on that field, and it has a baseball heart here. A baseball in the form of a heart, and price 13.07. I don't approve of this, guys. If you want to mix, yes, we know that you want to attract customers, but at least put it at 13.99 instead of 13.07. 13.07, you're not making any sales. I'm sorry, you're not making any profit. You're making sales, but you're not making any profit. So just put it at 13.99. It's not too low and it's not too high, so people will still purchase at that price. At least you're having something while customers are enjoying the low price, you know. So that was just a tip there. That was a food niche. A food niche is Easter. No, sorry, Cinco de Mayo. Yeah, Cinco de Mayo, Mexican guitar cactus. It says less fiesta. Not many people are focusing on this niche because it's in May, but I would recommend that you do because people have already started purchasing this. Take a look at this. Our trend is up, current trend is up, and it's priced at $16.95, over 69 sales, 222 reviews. So I just quickly wanted to show you the bestsellers because some people like looking at it in the grid form like this. So I just want to quickly show you some other designs that are trending that I didn't show you in in the grid view. But this is the you can see here some Easter shirts. We have some bunnies right here in different colors, different skin. And this one I got the excavator from. Then you have other ones here. This one I got the autism from. We have this one I got the norms and the bunny ears. Then the other autism awareness shirts that are trending that I didn't get to show you. You have this one teaching my favorite peeps. Happy Easter. So you can see all over you see Easter shirts. This one is quite funny, guys. So where did you guys go? It has his head stuck in the bushes. Then this one says what? Then this one says my butt hurts. So it's quite a funny shirt. I know it's gonna do quite well because funny shirts always do quite well. And this one right here, I'm not too comfortable with it because this is the shield of what's that called? A Marvel character. I've forgotten his superhero. Please let me know in the comment section below. But what's Captain America? There you go. So Captain America, this Captain America's shield. So guys, please don't do this. And I think it's gonna be removed. So if you are infringing on anyone, oh, there you go. I was looking for a bunny, a dino with bunny ears. I just found it, guys. So like I said, dinos is something that always trends in every niche. Every niche you will see a dino there. It's like a formula to making sales. I don't know how to put it, guys, but if you've noticed, every time I mention a niche, don't worry. Mother's Day, you see something pop up with a dino there. Just wait and see for Mother's Day. So it's like a formula. If you don't see dinos, you will definitely see sharks. If you don't see sharks, you'll see vintage designs. That means grunge designs like this one right here. You see words that are grunge though. It's just like a formula, or you see words that are in different colors like this one right here. So or this one right here. So it's just like a formula, guys. So if you aren't making designs with dinos in it, please do. Please do. So many people love dinos, and they are likely to purchase a shirt if you make a dino shirt. So you have these other ones here: Peeping It Real, Be Kind, Autism Awareness again. You have this bunny in a different shirt. You have Go Planet Your Earth Day. Yeah, this was sort of shark with bunny ears. Yeah, as you can see, guys, so many designs with bunny ears in it, and that's basically it, guys. So that was it for the five niches, but now I'm going to show you the deleted designs. What I was showing you before in the beginning of the video. This one right here got me, guys. It was so funny. Bidden. Oh Lord. Anyway, guys, tend to keep away from designs that bash other people. You know, try to make designs that support people. That like an awareness shirt, you're supporting people who have autism for an example. Instead of making shirts like this that are bashing someone, you know. So it has been removed, as you can see. Please don't do this. And you have other ones here. The witch needs coffee before any hocus pocus. So hocus pocus is trademark, guys. So and you even have Dunkin' Donuts here. Are you kidding me? Please don't do this, guys. Keep your account safe. Then you have these other ones here. I'm not sure why they're getting removed. I just want to it's from a book. Wizard King. This one too is trademark. I'm sure I'm sure this one is anime. So be careful the characters you put on your shirts. You have the funny media. I'm sure this one too is trademark if I'm not mistaken. Then we have these other ones here. So if you have flying research, you can take a look at this. There's so many designs that I'm removed. I always come here once in a while to see what I should have been doing, and I also like to take a look at designs that have removed, so I can let you guys know that, oh, this one has removed, we shouldn't do this, we shouldn't do that. So without further ado, we're gonna go into what we should be expecting, the events that are upcoming next. So the events that are upcoming is Mother's Day. We're looking at May here. I always like to look at events 1 month before. So the big niches here that are starred is Cinco de Mayo and Mother's Day. So the other ones we have May Day, International Workers Day, Star Wars Day, International Firefighters Day, World Asthma Day, Thank You Teacher Day, National Nurses Day, World Passport Day, Space Day, Europe Day, then Mother's Day. We'll have some other ones, but I'm not gonna read it now. I'm gonna read it in the next video. So guys, that was it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about pregnancy when KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.